Bro, let me ask you something real quick, and I want you to actually think about this before you answer. What if I told you that you might already be getting rich, and you don't even know it yet? Like, not someday, maybe possibly rich, but actually quietly, secretly building wealth right now, today, while you're sitting here feeling like nothing is working. Sounds crazy, right? Sounds like some motivational BS people say to make you feel better? I get it. I thought the same thing. But stick with me for just 4 minutes, because what I'm about to share is going to completely flip the way you see your own life. See, most people think getting rich looks like a movie moment. One big break, one viral post, one lottery ticket, one day where everything just clicks, and suddenly you're popping champagne on a yacht. But that's not how it works. That's never how it works. Real wealth is silent. It builds in the dark. It shows up in habits nobody claps for, in decisions nobody sees, in boring Tuesday nights where you chose your future over your feelings. And the wild part? You might already be doing it, right now, without even realizing it. So, here are 9 signs. The real ones, the ones nobody talks about, that prove you are secretly getting rich, even if your bank account hasn't caught up yet. Let's get into it. Sign 1. You track your expenses, and yeah, it sounds boring, but knowing where your money goes is literally the foundation every wealthy person built their life on. So if you're doing that, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Sign 2. You got an emergency fund, even if it's just a couple $100 sitting there untouched, because when life hits, and life will hit, you're not panicking and borrowing from everybody you know. You're covered, and that's a rich mindset right there. Sign 3. You can say no to instant gratification. You see a sale and you pause. Your friends want to blow money every weekend and you check your budget first. That self-control right there is literally the same muscle every self-made millionaire flexed on their way up. Sign 4. You're investing in yourself through books, videos, courses, podcasts, whatever it is, because Warren Buffett himself said the best investment you'll ever make is in you. And every skill you build is compounding in your brain right now, even if you can't see the returns yet. Sign 5. You got some kind of side income going, doesn't matter if it's $200 a month from freelancing or flipping stuff online. Because the moment you stopped depending on one single paycheck and started building multiple streams, you started thinking exactly like rich people think. Sign 6. You stopped comparing yourself to other people's highlight reels, because all that Instagram flexing and fake lifestyle content is hiding debt, anxiety, and pressure you don't even know about. And the second you kept your head down and focused on your own lane, your energy started going toward building instead of being wasted on jealousy. Sign 7. You started investing, even just a small amount every month, because compound interest is the most powerful force in personal finance, and the person who starts early with a little will almost always beat the person who starts late with a lot. So the fact that you're in the game already is a massive W. Sign 8. Your credit is in decent shape because you pay your bills on time and don't go crazy with debt. And while that sounds like the least exciting thing ever, good credit quietly opens doors, gets you lower rates, and treats you like someone the financial world actually respects. And sign 9, the most powerful one. You actually think about your future, you got goals, you got a vision, maybe it's a house or early retirement, or just never stressing about money the way you used to. And that forward thinking, right there, is the engine behind everything. Because when you know where you're going, every good decision starts stacking on the last one, and the whole thing just builds. So before you close this out, just breathe for a second and realize you're not behind, you're not failing, you're literally in the middle of the process, and the process is quiet, unglamorous, and looks a lot like everything you're already doing. So keep going, don't stop. Hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe because we keep it real around here every single week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay focused, stay consistent. You got this. Peace.